On 1st August 2026, Venus, the Shukra, enters into the sign of Virgo, that is Kanya Rashi. In Vedic astrology, Venus is considered debilitated, that is Nicha in Virgo. Venus governs love, relationship, marriage, beauty, luxury, comforts, creativity, vehicles, wealth, and artistic expression. When Venus transits into Virgo, its energy becomes more analytical, practical, and detail-oriented rather than romantic and indulgent. The actual result depends on an individual's birth chart and planetary periods, that is Mahadasha and Antardasha. General effects: relationships and love. People may become more practical and selective in relationships. Emotional expression may be replaced by logic and analysis. More misunderstanding can arise due to excessive criticism or unrealistic expectations. Existing relationships benefits from the honest communication and mutual understanding. Marriage. Married couples should avoid fault finding and focus on cooperation. Couples working together to solve practical issues can strengthen their bond. Marriage discussions may, but thoughtfully. Career and business. Good time for professions involving analysis, healthcare, education, finance, consulting, writing, accounting, and technology. Attention to detail improves work quality. Business owners should focus on efficient customer satisfaction rather than rapid expansion. Finance. Spending becomes more disciplined. A favorable period for budgeting, debt reduction, and long-term financial planning. Avoid impulsive purchases of luxury items. Investment should be made only after proper research. Health. Greater awareness of diet, hygiene, and fitness. Pay attention to digestion, intestine, kidneys, skin, and hormonal balance. Yoga, meditation, and balanced nutrition will be beneficial. Education. Excellent transit for students preparing for competitive examinations. Concentration, analytical thinking, and research abilities improved. Good period for learning technical or professional skills. Creativity. Artists, designers, musicians, and writers may produce refined, high-quality work. Creativity may become more precise and technically polished rather than highly emotional. Real estate and luxury. People may postpone expensive purchases and focus on essential needs. Home organization, renovation, and interior improvements are favored. Spiritual growth encourages simplicity, humility, self-improvement, and service. A favorable period for spiritual study, self-discipline, and charitable activities. Industries likely to benefit: healthcare and wellness, education and coaching, accounting and finance, information technology, research and analytics, beauty and skin care services, fashion design emphasizing simplicity and elegance. Challenges during this transit: overthinking in relationships, perfectionism, emotional distance, excessive criticism of self and others, delays in romantic matters, reduced desire for extravagance. Let's start the prediction on 12th zodiac moon sign. Aries moon, that is Mesha. Focus shift to work, health and daily routines. Romance may become more practical than emotional. Good period for improving professional skills. Avoid conflicts with colleagues. Control unnecessary expenses on lifestyle and luxury. Take care of digestion and skin. Remedy: chant Om Shukraya Namaha 108 times on Friday. Taurus moon, that is Vrishava. Creative talents and artistic pursuits receive support. Singles may meet someone through education or hobbies. Children may bring happiness. Avoid overthinking in relationships. Investment decisions should be made carefully. Lucky areas: education, creativity and entertainment. Gemini moon sign, that is Mithuna. Family and home become priorities. Possibility of home renovation or property discussions. Mother's health needs attention. Emotional stability improves through spiritual practices. Avoid misunderstanding with relatives. Good time for buying household items. Cancer moon sign, that is Kark. Communication skills improve significantly. Excellent period for marketing, writing, teaching and consulting. Short journeys become beneficial. Younger siblings may need support. Avoid speaking harshly in relationships. Career: new business contacts can be beneficial. Leo moon sign, that is Singha. Financial planning becomes important. Income opportunities increase gradually. Avoid luxury purchases. Family discussions regarding money may arise. Speech becomes influential. Advice: build long-term savings. Virgo moon sign, that is Kanya. Venus enters into your moon sign. Personal charm increases despite Venus being debilitated. Focus on self-improvement and health. Relationships require patience. Career image improves through discipline. Avoid perfectionism. Good for personal branding and learning new skills. Libra moon sign, that is Tula. Spiritual growth and inner healing dominate. hidden expenses may increase. Foreign travel or overseas opportunities are possible. Sleep patterns need attention. Secret relationships should be avoided. Remedy: donate white sweets on Fridays. Scorpio moon sign, that is Vrishchika. Gains through networking and friends. Long-term goals receive momentum. Love may develop through social circles. Elder siblings may support you. Be careful while investing in speculative ventures. Career: excellent for expanding professional networks. Sagittarius moon sign, that is Dhanu. Career becomes the primary focus. Recognition from seniors is possible. Business partnership require careful handling. Maintain professionalism. Balance work and family. Good time: promotions and reputation building. Capricorn moon sign, that is Makara. Fortune supports higher education and travel. Pilgrimages or spiritual learning are favored. Teachers and mentors become helpful. Publishing and legal matters may progress. Relationships improve through understanding. Lucky areas: education and foreign connections. Aquarius moon sign, that is Kumbha. Sudden financial changes are possible. Be cautious with loans and taxes. Interest in occult sciences and astrology increases. Married life requires honest communication. Avoid risky investments. Advice: maintain emergency saving. Pisces moon sign, that is Meena. Partnerships and marriage become the main focus. Singles may receive marriage proposals. Business collaboration require clear agreements. Avoid criticism of your partner. Diplomacy will bring success. Good for marriage discussions and business alliance. Universal remedies: chant Om Sham Shukra Namaha every Friday. Worship Goddess Lakshmi. Donate white clothes, rice, sugar or sweets on Fridays. Respect women and maintain harmony in relationships. Avoid unnecessary criticism and cultivate gratitude. These are the general moon sign predictions. The actual outcome depends on your individual horoscope, planetary strength, aspect and current Mahadasha and Antardasha. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Hope you all are fine. Take care yours. God bless you all. Hare Krishna.